Macabacus has so many functions and features to help us properly orient shapes on the slides that we're working on. If we look up here in the Macabacus section of the ribbon under Shapes, we have this little section where we can use stacking. Let's take a look at how it works. We're going to highlight this first shape and then Control click these other two shapes. We're going to go up to this section of the ribbon and we're going to select Stack Left. As we can see, Macabacus is asking us about the gap size. Let's leave it at 0 for now and go ahead and click the OK button. As you can see, it has stacked all three of these objects so that these corners are aligned perfectly. Let's take a look at what we can do in the same section. We could also stack up. Again, a gap size of 0, and now these objects are stacked upwards perfectly. What a great tool. Let's just click the undo button once and a second time to put these objects back into their original positions. What we've done is we've just gone ahead and added a little dotted line down here along this bottom edge and also a dotted line along the right edge of this particular shape. We've done this to demonstrate how Macabacus can distribute these shapes horizontally and vertically. Let's go ahead and test it out. Again, we're going to click the first shape, Control click the second, and Control click the third. Let's go up to the same section up here in the ribbon under Shapes, and we're going to click this button, Distribute Horizontally. Again, we get asked about the gap size. Let's leave it at 0 for now and click OK. These shapes have now been evenly distributed across from this dotted line over to this dotted line. Now, while they're still selected, let's go ahead and select this button, Distribute Vertically. Again, we get asked about gap size. Let's leave it at 0. And now they've been distributed perfectly vertically between this dotted line here and this dotted line at the bottom. What a great feature from Macabacus. It's good to know that these features exist in Macabacus. We can create shapes so quickly. We don't have to worry about how they're stacked or even how they're distributed. We can fix that really quickly with these stacking tools and also these tools to help us distribute things evenly. This is going to save us so much time. If you're enjoying these tips and would like to see more of our content, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for your support, and we'll see you soon in the next video.